Now, welcome back to another tutorial in the Adobe Premiere Pro course for beginners. In this lesson, we're going to look at the timeline panel. Now, we looked at the source panel, the program panel, and the projects panel. So this is the timeline panel. Now, this is where you put your clips or your media in order to create a sequence such as that. And then using this slide over here, you can be able to move through the videos to pinpoint a certain area and make your edits. The same thing, you can use the project panel to get the same result. So if I move this, you can see it will move together with this one over here. So I can go to any point, make edits, go ahead and kind of preview what I have over here. Now, another thing we have is this slide over here. So if I click on it, I can move to any side of the timeline. So if I move it to this side, I'm moving to the right. You can see it progressing to 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and on and on. It depends with how long your clips are. And then if you move to this end, it will take you back to the beginning. Now, if you notice, we have these little buttons at the end. If I click on it, I will kind of zoom in to my clip, and if I click on it and drag to the right, I'm zooming out. So you can use this if you want to really work on your clip, or maybe if you want to shorten them so you can see them all together, you can still drag it out or drag it to the right like so in order to zoom out. Now, there are two or three tools that will come in handy when you're working with the timeline. The first one is the pick tool and the selection tool, that is, and it's automatically selected. So if you want to activate it, you can see it has a shortcut, and that is V. And then you get the pick tool. Now you can use this to move clips anywhere, to move resize. So if I place this at the end over here, you can see I can resize the clip. You can bring this back over here again. Let's resize that. Like so. So you can do a lot of things with this, but those are just the basics. Another tool is the hand tool. Now if you want to use your keyboard, a quick shortcut for the hand tool is the letter H. If I press H, you can see now I have the hand tool, and I can move the hand tool to move through the timeline. Again, it has a similar work to this one, but instead of dragging this one, all I have to do is just click, drag, if it's up and down, depending with how many clips you're working with. Another tool that will come in handy is the zoom tool. So if I click on Z, the letter Z, you can see I've activated the zoom tool. Now with the zoom tool, if I just click, I'll zoom in. If I hold down Alt and click, I'm zooming out. So you can see the icon actually changes. So right now I'm not holding down any key, just have the zoom tool selected. So it has a plus icon, and if I click on it, I'm going to zoom in. But if I hold down the Alt key, you can see the icon will change to a minus. And now if I click, I'm still holding down the Alt key, it will zoom out. So those are the two tools that you will find yourself, the three tools, that is, the zoom tool, the hand tool, and the selection tool, that you'll find yourself using a lot while working with the timeline. Now, let's say you want your timeline to your sequences to fit the screen over here. All you can do is hold down Alt Shift Z,